Hello, I'm Yvonne Halling from bedandbreakfastcoach.com, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about how to use 2 simple and timeless strategies that will have you standing out from the crowd and attracting more of the guests that you want to attract without listing on any more of those big online travel agencies' websites. So, if you've been wondering how you can be seen and heard amongst all of the noise and competition out there, then this video is going to help you. First, let's look at why you're not being seen and you're not being heard. When you list with the online travel agents, you upload photos and you create a listing and you determine your price. All of the online platforms follow this similar procedure, and it's pretty easy to do, right? But how do you differentiate yourself from everyone else? How do you get to stamp your personality on your listing on those big online travel agencies' websites? And how do you convey your unique value to the guests who are looking for you specifically on those sites? Well, the answer is that you can't. And because you can't do this, your potential guests don't know who to choose. So they look for the best price or the best deal. So when you're listed on those sites, you're going to be chosen on price. Now, this makes for a very empty experience for both you as the owner and for your guests. So what do you do instead? Well, there are 2 simple things. You need a brand and you need a platform. So let me explain. First, your brand is not just your logo and your pretty colours. It's a combination of your logo, colours and images and your message and your values. It's kind of like what you stand for in terms of what you offer and for whom. Once you've got your brand sorted, you can then wave your flag all over the internet, and it will carry with it the energy of your message and the experience you offer for a particular group of people who would love to stay with you because of who you are and what you represent, not because of your price. You're effectively creating an asset that will do your work for you while you're doing something else. Second is your platform. Once you have your brand sorted, you're going to need a platform. This means a place from which you convey your brand, and it will consist of all of your social media accounts from where you build your very own customer list. Just having your customer list inside of your online booking or your online reservation system is simply not enough, because you cannot email to them. You cannot segment and make offers to them or communicate with them through those platforms when you want to. You're going to need a CRM system, or customer relationship management system, a place from which you gather people, communicate with them, build relationships with them, and segment them and make offers to them. My prediction is that B&Bs, guest houses, inns and small hotels without a brand, without a platform, will die off in the next few years as those that do pick this up, run with it and thrive. But there's still time left, and you can find out more on how to do this easily and quickly for your particular situation by joining me on my next masterclass by clicking on the link below. And if you've liked this video, then hit the red subscribe button to be the first to know when I post the next one. I'll see you soon.